Hi, and welcome to this video. Today, I'll guide you on how to search for your items within Wunderlister. In this context, items refers to listings, listing templates, or sales. I am using Wunderlister Desktop app version 5, but the process is the same for the Wunderlister online app. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate the search functionality for listings, which also applies to listing templates and sales. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notifications when we post new videos. If you need any help or clarifications, please email us at support@wunderlister.com. Wunderlister offers two ways to search your listings: simple search and advanced search. In this video, I'll focus on the advanced search method. For information on simple search, please refer to our other video. Simple search is used when searching by a single field, while advanced search can handle one or multiple fields and allows you to save your search criteria for future use. Now that we understand when to use simple search or advanced search, let's see advanced search in action. To initiate advanced search, click on the second icon from the left in the toolbar. The advanced search dialog will pop up. The first drop-down shows any previously saved searches. I'll start from scratch by deleting any existing saved searches and search history shown in the table below. Next, the drop-down labeled Select Search field contains all available fields you can search. This list is alphabetically organized. You can quickly navigate by pressing the first letter of the field name on your keyboard. For example, press T to jump to title. Select the field you want. The operators in the next drop-down depend on the selected field. For instance, if you choose title, options like equals, starts with, and ends with are available. If you select a date field like date created, options include equals, not equals, between, greater than, etc. Once you select an operator, you can enter a value. For date fields, a date picker appears. For predefined lists like payment profiles, the value field will display relevant options. For text fields like title, you simply type in your value. For example, if we search for titles containing the word Prism typed in all caps without case sensitivity, all listings containing Prism will appear, regardless of case. Now, let's explore multiple conditions. The first condition might be title contains Prism. For a second condition, select a date field like date created and set it to greater than or equal to June 1st. This means the listings must meet both conditions simultaneously. If you frequently use a search, you can save it. For instance, save it as S2. This saved search will appear in the drop-down for easy access in the future. You can simply select it and click Search to get results. The search results use the grid layout active before the search started. The columns and their order remain consistent. Lastly, let's use the search within selected folder search results functionality. Suppose you have search results and want to narrow them down further. Add a condition like title starts with 2021 and select the option search within selected folder search results. Click Search to refine your results. This is how you use the advanced search feature in Wunderlister. Before we wrap up, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for updates on new videos. If you need any help or clarifications, email us at support@wunderlister.com. Thanks for watching and happy searching.